Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Citibank credit card account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process for it. Now before moving on, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Now the first thing you need to do is to open any web browser on your PC. Now on the URL bar, search for citibank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, once you search for citibank.com, you will be landed to Citibank official homepage. Now, to get access to your Citibank credit card, firstly you need to get logged into your Citibank account. So, type in your username followed by your password. If in case you have either forgotten your user ID or password, you can retrieve it by tapping on Forget User ID or Password links. And if you want the system to remember your user ID for your next visit, tick this square box. But if you're using a public or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. Now tap on Sign On button to get logged into your Citibank account. Now once you get logged into your Citibank account, tap on credit card option and there you will get access to your Citibank credit card account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your Citibank credit card account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a big thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.